Morning, guys. Welcome to Coffee Chat. And yep, there is coffee in the cup, I'll tell you what. And guys, in this marketplace, is there a lot of traction and action to be sure. We're watching XRP right there. I think it's at that $2.38 range, showing some real amazing strength in a absolute fear on steroids marketplace. You got it. The fear and the uncertainty and doubt in the retail space is really going wild. And it's causing a lot of people to really just capitulate their position. Now, having said that, I was listening to Blockchain Backer this morning and how he has talked about, hey, we're following this 2021 fractal. And right now we have just bounced up against that retracement at 702, and it could very well dip down to a final capitulation, guys, where we could see the thing drop down to maybe $1.50 and then fire off like crazy. Turned on CoinsKid. Now, CoinsKid, he is another TA guy that I follow, and he hasn't said anything for a month. Well, today he puts out a video, and guess what? Saying practically the same thing, that, hey, we're in this big sea wave kind of deal, this correction, and we've just seen a nice, beautiful retrace, but it could drop. And this is the thing. Judy and I are as bullish as we could ever be on XRP. And long term of what we see this thing doing. But guys, we have watched this space, right, in its volatility go up, go down, go up, go down, and trading in that range. And this is where you have got to have strategic thinking going on, because could you ever benefit from some of those moves if you were able to actually get your fingers on the pulse of what's really going on? Because the articles that you get, and I'm reading a lot, oh my goodness, it just seems that either they're all on when things are going down, just fear like crazy. And then, it could blast off into outer space. The thing is this, guys, this is where having a logical and analytical way to actually plan your strategy matters the most. And as you know, I have opened up my coaching for this week. You know what? I have got one session left for Wednesday, just one. If it interests you and you want to meet with me, that one-on-one where we go over your portfolio, make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we actually help you to identify this psychology in the market that's going on, then visit me, guys, at thedigital.outlook.com. Get yourself on the calendar. What we are seeing right now is absolutely classic movement from the retail market, where a lot of folks, they just have no conviction and they think it's going to go crazy, and they have no strategic plan. They are not looking at how can I maximize my position. One way you can do that, guys, is when you do see a major spike up, well, you might consider taking a little bit off the table to wait for that dip that goes down and reposition yourself. Now, I'm not talking day trading, of course, because I think that is insane. I don't know how a day trader can survive in this marketplace. But on the macro scale, it makes perfect sense. Look, for every bull market, there is a bear market. And for every bear market, you had better believe there is a bull market. And literally, the scripture says, hey, there's a time for sowing and there is a time for reaping. And then you sow again. So one of the ways Judy and I have grown our position over time is doing that bit by bit, and sharing how we think about it, why we make the decisions we do, on and on. You need a solid rationale, because guys, if you're just holding out because so-and-so said it's going to hit this or do that or whatever, or what, all that kind of stuff, you're going to get totally wrecked. We've watched it happen time and again. And boy, did we ever make some mistakes of our own all the way through, trying to just kind of like figure this all out and just, and that kind of stuff. And you know what that's like? It's like throwing darts at balloons. That is not strategic planning, and it is not strategic thinking. And I think a lot of times, a lot of folks, because I have been looking at the comments, I've been, following through. And by the way, what an amazing town hall we had in our mastermind yesterday, because, people getting in there and asking solid questions. That is for sure. Guys, think about it. We are all in this space and accumulating in XRP because of what we believe is coming down the road. And I'm going to tell you what I personally believe is going to come down the road. And you've heard me say this so many times, is going to represent the greatest wealth transfer in the history of mankind. But I want you to consider something. If we did see things drop and it went back down again, can you handle that? Can you handle it right up here? That's where the battle's won, guys. That's where you actually succeed in the space. It's not in just putting it in, watching it fly, and then woohoo. I mean, those times can sometimes happen. And I know for a lot of folks, sometimes they've got in it right at the bottom, didn't even know it, and then it flew off. That's what happened to Judy and I. But for a lot of folks, they got in there when XRP was at $3 or so. And of course, now they're like, that's where a lot of the fear is coming from. But if you zoom out and you realize, okay, where are you getting in? Why are you doing what you're doing? How are you strategically positioning yourself to grow that, that confidence, to grow that position? That's where a lot of the strategy needs to come into. And guys, that's what we try to talk about. That's why we opened up the mastermind. And so people could get around like-minded folks and have the ability to talk out those thoughts, ideas, and plans. Now, a lot of folks, I'll tell you what, should the price go down like that, like these guys are saying, that represents right there a big opportunity to meet some accumulation goals, doesn't it? If you really are convicted and you really do believe in what you're investing in and what XRP is going to represent in the future, guys, that's how you do it. You get in there when the prices dip. When the prices are high, hey, you might take some off the table so that when they're low, wow, can you ever back up the truck and load up? That's how a lot of these major players are doing it. Guys, they are looking down the road. They are being strategic in their planning. And that's how we got to be played, guys. Because if we just do it on our emotions, we are just going to get wrecked, ruined, destroyed. And that's what these whales want. That's what a lot of the psychology in the market is. That's where a lot of this stuff, and that's some of the things that we go over in our coaching, is how to identify that. Because guys, I'll tell you, there are ways you can spot it bang on, and you can plan, and it can work out in your favor. I'll tell you that right now. Yep. And that's when you know the game and how it's played. Because look how much good news we would have had. And you would have thought, wow, the whole thing is going to react like that, right? And it didn't happen. But that does not mean that it does not hold promise for the future, right? And other times you hear all this negative sentiment like we've just been hearing, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And then just like that, bang, it just turns around all of a sudden. Boom. Happens so many times. And Judy and I have been in the space for 6 years to watch this go on. So for us, it's almost like secondhand. We can practically smell it coming. And I think that a lot of folks that are out there right now and you're new in this space, it takes you by shock as how volatile it can be. Now, will that volatility exist forever? No, I don't believe it will. Why? Because when we get that clarity, guys, that uncertainty that causes the volatility, it is going to diminish. And when that diminishes, the volatility is coming down. And when the volatility comes down, of course, the risk comes down, the reward comes down, all that kind of stuff. Think about it this. For you and I, what we're able to purchase our XRP at low prices, when it gets to those 3 figures, are those folks going to see the same level of percentage gains that we've got to see? Probably not, guys. Why? Because when it hits that, it's because all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed and all the dominoes have fallen down. That's why. And so the chances of them seeing the 100x returns, nowhere near. The time to actually get in is when you're cutting the ground, right? It's just getting out there before anyone else does. And guys, I'm going to tell you something. As late as you may feel you are to the game, you are so early. I'll tell you that right now. And that's how you got to think about it. Get that buried down right in here, and that's going to save you. I'll tell you what, don't get hooked up in the day-to-day price action, guys. It is so vitally important. So I'll tell you what, until later on today when we have another fantastic video for you, guys, I sure hope you have a fabulous one, and take care.